Okay, so let's step out on that balcony. It was giving us a little problems. Now we're gonna go ahead and step out and see what we got to see here. Okay, what I'm noticing right away is it's a good sized balcony. It's wider than the normal balcony, so I like that a lot. It could probably pretty easily fit 3 chairs out here. It's got 2, and the balcony does. There's glass in the master in this bedroom over here, so you would see that for sure outside. So that's nice. There's some street noise down here because it looks like they're taking care of the street that's right next to the American Airlines Center. And of course, you've got the American Airlines Center as your view. So great view. You've got some apartments over there, and you've got some just great views of Victory Park over there. So you're really in a very incredible area of town, and great views. All right, so now let's go check out more of this beautiful apartment I'm really liking, and I love the theme. I love the way they've tied in that mountain lodge, ski lodge. And so let's go into the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. What's striking me is the walls are very tall. This is again probably 11 feet, if not 12 feet. It's super tall. Plenty of it. Just makes it more majestic when it's like that. There's a huge wall that's here, and so that gives a lot of space where you could put TV, and then you could put a dresser under it. You've got your plugs here. You've got a cable internet outlet that's over here too, and then you've got your balcony over here. This is actually a poster bed. Wow, I don't think I've seen that ever in an apartment, and it's cool. It works. It's queen size, so it's so cool to see that. On the side over here is a kind of a not a nightstand, but more of a night box. It's cool. So that's nice. And then there's plenty of room over here too. So they have a table, but you really could add even a small work desk. You could add other things here too. And I love these gorgeous kind of wrought iron looking mirrors. Those are really pretty. So this is a great looking room, and you've got space to work with, and it just feels good in here. By the way, the carpet is a kind of a greenish grayish look, and it would go with almost anything. Inside the bathroom. Now this is really cool in the bathroom. This is it's kind of it's hard to describe it. It's definitely, it looks like a hardwood, but it's a kind of very soft looking. It's hard to describe it but it just looks great. It's almost like it's kind of soaked out or something. It's unusual kind of feeling. I like it. Here is the sink here, and the sink is dual. That's always beautiful. Love dual sinks, and they're very needed. And then here is the cabinets. The cabinets are dark, very dark gray, and they have rustic handles that are very large. Love that. Oh, it's even got a built-in pull-out drawer. That's cool. So love that. Here's this massive mirror. This mirror is huge. It is so big. Wow. And then here's another built-in over there. You can see this leads right back there into the living and dining that's over there. And then let's walk in the closet. Wow, the closet is very large. It is huge. There is a lot of storage. Lots. It's just a lot of storage. Let's put it that way. Tons of storage. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. So easy storage. And of course, here is our great washer and dryer. That's here too. Wow. Absolutely love it. And I love that the flooring, there's no carpet in here. That's just cool. So it's going to make it easy to maintain. And it looks like they have Hill Alfred too. I like that a lot. That's a great feature that luxury residences are having more and more. So, wow, great amount of storage. That's an A plus closet. Love this closet. Speaking of A plus, this is one cool. Wow, just an incredible shower. Look at the flooring. This flooring, it looks like it's like cut rocks or stones. I mean, I just gotta look at this. This is just cool. Gotta look at it. Oh yeah, it's stones. It's like flat stones. Oh, this is cool. And then I think this is wood. If not, it's kind of a faux wood, but it just gives a great effect in here. I think it's actually tile, but it looks like wood. And oh gosh, and it goes up to the ceiling. So this is super cool. This is so lodgy. Absolutely loving this. This is very well done. I'm really appreciating this, and kudos to the Ascent. Well done, well done. This is fun. This is a fun place to just check out. Okay, so that's the one bedroom. Let's go out here just to give a recap. So we walked in, and there's our door. There is that beautiful kind of holding area. You can put all sorts of jackets. You can put shoes, anything else, dog things, any kind of stuff you want to have there. Got a lot of storage here too. These are really tall and they open wide. You got that wine fridge, and then you have this beautiful kitchen. Absolutely love it. The kitchen is gorgeous.